In this tutorial, I'll show you how to get mods for Steam games. By the end, you'll have a Steam Workshop mod added to one of your games, and it will install and load automatically when you start the game. First, open Steam on your computer. If you have multiple windows open, bring Steam to the front so you can see the main interface. Next, go to Library. You'll find Library at the top of the Steam window. Click it to view your list of games on the left side. Now, click your game. In the left panel, select the game you want to mod. This opens the game's details page in the main area of the window. From here, open the Workshop tab if available. Look along the top of the game's page for a tab labeled Workshop and click it. If you don't see a Workshop tab, this particular game doesn't support Steam Workshop mods. So the steps here won't apply to that title. If the tab is there, you're in the right place. Next, browse mods. On the Steam Workshop page for your game, scroll through the available mods. You can use the search bar at the top to search by name or feature, and you can sort by options like most popular or most subscribed to quickly find well-tested items. As you browse, click through a few thumbnails to read each mod's description. Check the last updated date and look for any notes about required items or compatibility. Taking a moment here helps you avoid conflicts and ensures the mod works with your version of the game. Now, click a mod you want to install. Select the mod's title or thumbnail to open its Workshop page. On this page, you'll see screenshots, a description from the creator, and a list of any dependencies. But if the mod requires other Workshop items, they'll be listed, so you know what it needs to function correctly. Once you've chosen, click subscribe. The subscribe button is on the right side of the mod's page. Click it once. This tells Steam to automatically download the mod in the background and keep it up to date. If you change your mind later, you can return to this page and click unsubscribe to remove it so it's safe to proceed. After subscribing, you may see a brief notification as Steam queues the download. Finally, launch the game. Click the green play button from the game's page in your library. Steam will automatically download and install the subscribe mod before or during launch. You might notice a short downloading Workshop content message or a brief pause while content is synchronized. That's normal, let it finish, and the game will continue to load. In many titles, the mod is now active right away. If you subscribe to multiple mods, Steam handles each one in the background and keeps them updated for you on future launches. If the game takes a moment on first launch after subscribing, don't worry. That's just the initial mod download and setup. Once it opens, you can proceed to your save or start a new game as needed, and the changes from the mod should be in effect. If a mod lists additional required items on its page, make sure you've subscribed to those as well using the same subscribe button before launching, so everything loads correctly. At this point, you've successfully used the Steam Workshop to get mods for your Steam game. The mod is subscribed, downloaded, and will auto-install and update whenever you launch the game from Steam. But for more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.